watching the behind the scenes of the Reppin' the Green show on YouTube and the Reppin' the Greens at Turn stream on Twitch. Okay, so I just made this mask. Let me know. Rate it from 1 to 10. Let me know what you think about the mask. Made it from upcycled scarf or old scarf, or just Grenada scarf. I just had the basically use it to just make a scarf inspired, you know what I'm saying? Reppin' the Greens inspired, you know what I'm saying? So if y'all like it, put a W in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome YouTube. Welcome Twitch. If you're watching this later on Greens Era Vlogs, welcome. But this was the reveal. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the shares. Thanks for the subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Big reveal, big mask reveal. You know what I'm saying? Big crafting section going down. You know what I'm saying? Big crafting session going down. Get ready for it. You know what I'm saying? Big crafting session going down. Inspired by Grenada colors. Grenada coming up. Grenada independence coming up. You know what I mean? Inspired by Grenadian people. Resilient. Very resilient. Yovas. The resilience of the people. That is what we want. That is what we on, chat. That is what we on. So you don't know. Thank you for the likes, thank you for the shares, thank you for the subscriptions, man. Who's ready for the awesome show? Let's go. I'm gonna put my chair and get ready to do this show. This is my setup. This is my setup. This is my stream. This is my back. What did I show them? Oh Lord.